Step into a world of pure luxury and sophistication. Today we have something truly exceptional to unbox, the Rolex Yachtmaster. The anticipation builds as we carefully open the well-crafted Rolex box. And there it is, a true marvel of design and engineering. Let's take a closer look at the stunning details that set this watch apart. Luminous markers ensuring visibility even in the darkest of night. This pre-owned Rolex Yachtmaster is a self-winding automatic watch featuring a 40mm 18-karat yellow gold case. Proudly houses a white dial on an 18-karat yellow gold oyster bracelet with a folding clasp. Its functions include hours, minutes, seconds, and a date display to your convenience. A symbol of prestige, an embodiment of timelessness. This is Rolex. Stay tuned for more luxury and elegance from Topwatch. Follow us at topwatch.global.